Good evening, Mom Bless. This is my weather forecast news report. It's all about cloudy sky and scattered rains expected across parts of the country. Manila, Philippines. The Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical, and Astronomical Service Administration or PAGASA report that cloudy sky with scattered and showers that thunderstorms are expected in several parts of the country today. According to PAGASA, areas in Luzon and the Visayas may experience intermittent rains due to the low pressure area combined with the northeast monsoon. Residents in low-lying and flood-prone areas are advised to stay alert to possible flash flood and landslide during moderate to heavy rainfall. Meanwhile, Mindanao is expected to have generally fair weather with isolated rain showers, especially in the afternoon and evening caused by localized thunderstorms. Pag-asa also warned of strong winds and true sea condition in coastal areas, advising small sea vessels to avoid sailing. Temperatures across the country are expected to range from 24 to 33 degrees Celsius. The public is encouraged to bring umbrellas, stay updated through official weather bulletins, and follow safety advisories from local authorities. For the latest update, residents are advised to monitor PAGASA announcements and local news report. That's all. Thank you.